Quickly and easily remove lead, powder residue, rust, water spots, tarnish, fingerprints, weathering, and more with a 100% eco-safe and definite shelf life Flitz Paste Polish. Specially formulated to restore and protect stainless steel, nickel, plastics, wood, fiberglass, hot gun bluing, and so much more. Apply and buff off. It's just that quick and easy to bring your finishes back to new. Protect your investments today and Flitz it. Looking to gain better accuracy from your firearms? Look no further. We have you covered with the Flitz Bore Cleaner. Quickly and easily remove built-up lead, plastic wad, copper, and powder fouling, and more. The 100% eco-friendly, specially designed formula contains no ammonia, is non-abrasive, non-flammable, is non-foaming for no extra cleanup. Regain your pinpoint accuracy today with the Flitz Bore Cleaner. Looking to keep your finishes looking their best without having to spend a lot of time doing it? Flitz has you covered with our new sealant, a specially formulated hydrophobic spray designed to protect and enhance painted surfaces, fiberglass, all metals, glass, plastics, marble, granite, man-made surfaces, and more. Just spray and wipe with a clean soft microfiber and wipe off. It's just that quick and easy. And unlike wax, there's no drying time required, so you'll be done in minutes. Protect your finishes against salt corrosion, harmful UV rays, water and bug stains, bird droppings, and so much more. Plus, best of all, this lasts, giving you up to a year's worth of protection with one just easy application. Stop spending all that time waxing and cleaning and pick up a bottle of Flitz Sealant today. Do you want to keep your firearms, knives, and archery equipment looking like new? Pick up a bottle of Flitz Gun and Knife Wax. This easy-to-use wipe-on, wipe-off formula is safe on all finishes and protects against rust, water spotting, powder residue, fingerprints, dust and dirt, and more for months to come. Do you have issues with fingerprints, oil, grease, carbon, or other impurities on your firearms, knives, or archery equipment? Let Flitz help you out with our Tactical Matte Finish Cleaner. Spray on and wipe off. It's just that easy to restore your finish back to new. The 100% water-based eco-friendly formula has no harsh odor and will not damage any of your finishes. When it comes time to cleaning, nothing works better at wiping down a finish than the Flitz Ultra Thick and Thirsty Microfiber Polishing Cloth. Designed by the engineers at Flitz to be one of the thickest microfiber cloths on the market, the extremely absorbent polishing cloth gives a great streak-free performance on any surface and is designed to be used wet or dry. So stop buying those throwaway microfibers and pick up one that lasts for years to come. Are you looking to speed up your tumbling time and still get the best results possible? Look no further. We have you covered with the Flitz Tumbler Media Additive. Pour in 1 ounce per 1 pound of your favorite media and let the specially blended formula go to work. 100% eco-green formula is non-ammonia based and will not deaden your primer. Make quick time of your tumbling process today with the Flitz Tumbler Media Additive. Are you sick of fumbling around trying to find all the right things to clean your guns and knives? Flitz to the rescue with a gun and knife care kit. This all-in-one kit contains everything you need to restore your firearms or knives back to new. Included in the kit, the gun and knife cleaner, polish paste, gun and knife wax, and thick and thirsty microfiber polishing cloth. Bring new life back into your firearms or knives today with the Flitz Gun and Knife Care Kit. Are your knives not looking up to the cut any longer? Restore them today with the Flitz Knife Restoration Kit. Quickly and easily bring back the sharpness to your blades as well as bringing back the finish. This all-in-one kit contains our cleaning protective liquid polish, DMT diamond sharpener, needle tip CLP, and a thick and thirsty microfiber polishing cloth. Grab out those knives today and go to town with the Flitz Knife Restoration Kit.